Hi guys, what's for dinner? I will cook roast chicken legs and thighs packed with veggies. Come join me and let's start cooking. Here are my ingredients. Let's season the chicken with ground pepper, salt, and lemon pepper and set aside to absorb the seasoning. Let's dice 2 potatoes and 1 medium sweet potato to add some color variation. If you have red potatoes, you could add them too. Season the potatoes with salt, black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix. Let's place the cut potatoes in a roasting pan. Roast until potatoes are just golden, 20 minutes or so. Here are our potatoes. We don't need to cook them completely yet. They will finish cooking along the way. Now let's place the seasoned chicken, skin side up, beside the potatoes. Let's put everything back in the oven and roast until the chicken begins to brown, about 20 to 30 minutes. While waiting for our chicken, let's cut some of our veggies. Let's cut the Brussels sprouts in half and cut the asparagus into 2-inch pieces. Let's season with salt, ground black pepper, and olive oil. Let's cut half an onion and dice and cut a lemon into 8 wedges. Let's grab our chicken from the oven. It is almost done. Let's scatter the asparagus and Brussels sprouts around chicken. Let's add the lemon, onions, and sprinkle some dried thyme. And put it back into the oven until the chicken is cooked through and golden and the asparagus and Brussels sprouts are tender. 5 to 15 minutes. And here is everything. This turned out so good. The chicken golden brown, potatoes and sweet potato crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. The asparagus and Brussels sprout was cooked perfect. Great taste, easy dish that looks nice. It's the best spring dinner for the family. You must try. Promise you will love it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video and loving the recipe, please be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. This is a great help. And please hit the like with notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Thank you guys. God bless.